Welcome back to another video. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you liked this video.
Please just take a minute out of your day to listen to this. Thank you.
Don't kick. Remember the one time you kicked? Now pop it.
Now that's a perfect aim.
What the hell is even that?
Don't be suspicious, don't be suspicious, don't be suspicious, don't be suspicious.
Bro, that is so not cool. You go, girl. Give it all you've got.
Why? Guess what sound my fart's gonna sound like?
What?
Just guess. Just like make an imitation of what my fart's gonna sound like.
Seriously, bro.
You got it!
This one's for you, TikTok.
Now that's gross.
Puddle, puddle, puddle. Oh.
Disgusting!
Bruh. Relationship advice. Oh, I think I just shit myself. Embarrassing!
Don't spit out it, Corona.
A little bit of air from both directions. Go Gran.
Okay, so DJ has been gassy, and I saw this on TikTok where you do this. You stretch, and then...
Hell yeah!
Little guy sounds like a squeaky toy.
No, Kevin, we're in the car and it's gonna stink. Get the out! Get out now, Kevin. Kev, get the car.
Yeah, what the hell, Kevin?
It's not
Get out of
funny.
the car.
What's the matter?
I can't breathe. That's making me, no, Kevin, seriously, that's making me feel ill.
She is not at all impressed.
It smells so bad.
Now that's disturbing.
May the good providence shield us from all harm and bring us together again in true comradeship and peace.
Grandma, naughty grandma.
Mom, Dada.
Oh yeah, the truth be told.
Emotional damage! Hut hut, hike!
He got the moves.
Embarrassing!
Bro, it's a winner.
Proud of yourself.
Holy moly. Was that the horse?
You little melon head. Say bye.
What's wrong?
I just had an accident. I pooped my pants.
No way. Is this seriously happening?
I will try.
Do you need to go to the bathroom?
Yeah.
How can I help you?
You need to help me.
Can you get in the cart?
No, I'm not good
I
at
can
it.
push you there.
No.
Try walking.
No.
Oh my god, just... Are you serious? Just walk slow.
Charming. Miss
That
Piggy?
was
great.
Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get notified when we post new videos.